Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically, how to navigate investing in them. Look, I get it. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and more. And you probably hear stories every single day of people making and losing fortunes overnight. And maybe you're thinking, I want a piece of that action too. And that's totally fine, but if you're thinking about investing in crypto, you need to know these 5 crucial rules to make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Trust me, I've been in this game for a while, and I've seen it all. Stick around and you'll learn a thing or two about how to survive and thrive in the crypto market. This is the golden rule of any type of investing, but it's especially true in the wild west of crypto. Before you even think about hitting that buy button, you need to understand what you're getting yourself into. First, you need to understand the technology behind the cryptocurrency. What problem is it trying to solve? Is it proof of work? Proof of stake? What's the total supply? Is it inflationary or deflationary? How decentralized is it really? Don't just blindly trust the hype. Dig into the white paper, read articles, watch explainer videos, and really try to understand the underlying technology. Next, look at the use case. Does this cryptocurrency have real-world applications? Is there a growing community and development team behind it? A strong community and a dedicated team are good indicators of a project's long-term potential. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world. So do your own research and invest with your head, not your heart. You know the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Yeah, well, that applies to crypto big time. Even if you're super bullish on one particular coin or token, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio. Because let's be real, the crypto market is volatile AF. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put all your money into a single stock, would you? Same goes for crypto. By spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies, you're essentially mitigating your risk. If one coin tanks, and let's be honest, that's always a possibility, your entire portfolio won't go down with it. But diversification isn't just about spreading your risk. It's also about maximizing your potential returns. Different cryptocurrencies have different strengths and weaknesses. By diversifying, you're giving yourself exposure to a wider range of opportunities. So don't put all your crypto eggs in one basket, unless you're really sure about that basket. Alright, let's get real for a second. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward investment, emphasis on the risk part. Look, I'm not saying you're going to lose all your money, but you need to be prepared for that possibility. Here's the deal. Never, and I mean never, invest more than you can afford to lose. Seriously, this isn't your rent money, it's not your grocery money, it's not your emergency fund. This is money that, if it disappeared tomorrow, wouldn't completely derail your life. Because let's be honest, the crypto market can be brutal. One minute you're up 100%, the next minute you're down 50%. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't let the fear of missing out, FOMO, cloud your judgment. Alright, so you've done your research, you've diversified your portfolio, and you're only investing what you can afford to lose. Now it's time to talk about the most important rule of all security. Because let's be real, getting hacked is the quickest way to kiss your crypto goodbye. First things first, choose a reputable wallet to store your crypto. Think of your wallet like your bank account for crypto. There are 2 main types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, which makes them more convenient for everyday transactions. But they're also more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, which makes them much more secure for long-term storage. If you're holding a significant amount of crypto, a cold wallet is a must. Speaking of exchanges, choose wisely. Look for exchanges with a strong track record of security and regulatory compliance. And while we're on the topic of 2FA, enable it everywhere. Seriously, this is your first line of defense against hackers. Finally, never, ever share your private keys with anyone. The cryptocurrency market moves fast, like really fast. The point is, if you want to survive in the crypto jungle, you need to stay informed. First and foremost, keep an eye on the overall market trends. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? What are the major events and news driving the market? There are tons of resources out there to help you stay up to date, from crypto news websites and Twitter accounts to podcasts and YouTube channels. Find a few sources you trust, and make it a habit to check in regularly. Next, stay informed about the specific cryptocurrencies you're invested in. What are the latest developments? Are there any upcoming forks or upgrades? Are there any regulatory changes on the horizon? But staying updated isn't just about consuming information. It's also about being critical of what you read and hear. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing advice. Remember, investing in crypto can be risky, But by following these 5 rules, you'll be well on your way to making more informed decisions and navigating the market like a pro. And hey, if you have any other crypto tips or questions, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. See you in the next video.